Hello teacher, my name is Phương Chi. I'm Peppa Pig. This is my little brother George. This is Mommy Pig. And this is Daddy Pig. Peppa Pig. Cuckoo Clock. It is early morning. Mommy and Daddy Pig are still asleep. Wake, wake, Mommy and Daddy. Oh, what? It's time to get up. It's much too early. Don't you know what time it is, Peppa? No, Daddy, our clock doesn't work. Oh dear, let's see if we can meet it. We owe the cuckoo clock. Why is it called a cuckoo clock? There's a little wooden bird inside called a cuckoo. I have never seen a cuckoo. That's because we stopped winding it a long time ago. The cuckoo got a bit annoying. Oh, can we wind it up again, please? Alright. Daddy is winding up the cuckoo clock. There. Daddy Pig set a clock to the right time. It is nearly 9 o'clock. Daddy, can we see the cuckoo now? You'll see the cuckoo soon. What does she look like, Daddy? Now, let me think. She moves her head like this. And she flaps her wings like this. And she says, ahem. Cuckoo. Cuckoo. What a noisy little cuckoo you are, George. Cuckoo. Look, it's going to do something. Wow! Silly George, you missed the cuckoo. The cuckoo was really brilliant. She went cuckoo and you missed it. Never mean George. You can see cuckoo next time. You have to wait. Cuckoo only come out once in her. Waiting is boring. Come on, George, let's play outside. George does not want to play outside. He is waiting to see the cuckoo. It It is nearly 10 o'clock. George has been waiting for Cuckoo for almost an hour. George, come and play. Mr. Dinosaur wants you to play too. Girl. Dinosaur. You have Mrs. Cuckoo again. Never mind, George. Why you don't play in the garden? I call you. Then it's time to see Cuckoo. To you, George. It is nearly 11 o'clock. Peppa, George, time to see Cuckoo. Quick, George, you can miss Cuckoo again. George is running faster than he has ever run before. George did see Cuckoo. Cuckoo, Cuckoo, Cuckoo. Peppa and George love playing Cuckoo. Cuckoo, Cuckoo. It is night time. Cuckoo. Peppa and George are very sleepy. Cuckoo. Peppa and George are asleep. Cuckoo. It is morning or early, or no time to sleep. Cuckoo is not very well. She just needs to sleep like you and George. Good night, my little piggies. George, I know how to make Cuckoo better. Wind her up like Daddy did. Mommy and Daddy are fast asleep. What? Mommy, Daddy, we've got something to show you. We made Cuckoo better.